Prep Test 69, game number 3, question 14. If I is assigned to J3, which of the following could be true? So again, let's bring up our master drawing here, and we're going to go ahead and write I into space J3. If I is in J3, then we know it can't be here, so this has to be H. And if, according to this rule, H is in J1, H also must be in S4. If H is in S4, then we know that F and I make up these two spaces interchangeably. And we know that F and G make up these two spaces interchangeably. However, G can't go in this last spot here, so that must be F, meaning that this must be G. So, which of the following could be true? In J, does G come before H? That cannot be true. In J, does I come before H? That cannot be true. In the S row, does F come before I? That could be true. We don't know, but it's looking like the right answer. In answer choice D, says S in the S row, does G come before I? No, G definitely does not come before I. And lastly, in the S row, does H come before G? That is definitely not true. C is the only possible true answer.